how does a new startup approach social media marketing with low budgets to build their brand?
Interesting. So it's at the risk of repeating myself, right? I like to look at all companies. Imagine if you have your own channel. Actually, let me rephrase that. I don't think budgets are a problem in today's day and age because you can make content out of everything. You can make content in your office. Some basic fundamentals remain the same, which is you just have to be consistent. You just have to keep trying, because if you don't take enough shots, not enough land. That's pretty simple. One thing that I often tell founders is, if the folks who work in your marketing team, if they are creators and or artists who output generally, that kind of helps just in the hiring process, right? क्योंकि एक feedback loop नाम की चीज होती है, ठीक है? Which is, if you're used to creating something, presenting it to an audience, getting that feedback and then reiterating it, इसमें ही तुम बहुत सीख जाते हो. Like मैंने even when I was at AIB and we used to make videos on YouTube, पर वो महीने में 2 निकलते थे. 2 वीडियो हम बनाते थे क्योंकि those were artistic videos. We used to take time with it. But I used to spend a lot of time with the social media team. We used to output 6-7 posts a day. तो 6-7 बार दिन में तुम्हें फीडबैक मिलता रहा. तुमने ये बोला, फिर ये आया. एज अ कॉमेडियन 1 घंटे में मुझे 70 बार आता है. मैं जो बोलता हूँ मुझे फीडबैक मिल गया. इसलिए मैं जितना मैं हो जा रहा हूँ ओपन माइक करूंगा, उतना मेरा सेट तगड़ा होता रहेगा. So the more you output and you put out in the world, you get the feedback and then you reiterate, the better your judgment becomes. तो अगर आपने एक चीज 150 बार कर दी ना, तो the 151st time तुमको बेटर आइडिया होगा कि ये चलेगा कि नहीं, राइट? तो अब मैंने इतना YouTube किया है कि अब मैं रफली प्रेडिक्ट कर सकता हूँ कि ये होगा तो ये बोलेंगे लोग, राइट? So you have to take more shots. Like that's one mistake that most people make is they just don't take enough shots. So you wanna hire creators who are used to outputting stuff. तो मैं तो बोलता हूँ कि अब जब भी मैं अगली कंपनी बनाऊंगा उसके अंदर if I go to hire, my marketing team will be full of artists who are driven by some form of artistry, and it'll be full of creators who have either built their own page and scaled it. अगर किसी बंदे ने naturally बिना किसी पुल के 0 to 50,000 लेके गया तो उसको तो चमकता है कि कुछ करना आता है इसमें, right? So I think the future of marketing is effectively creators and artists. I think those are the folks who will rule marketing. Yeah, consistency I think is important.